Hello, I'm Joey Graham, CEO of Prochant, and I'm going to be speaking at Medtrade this year with our senior consultant, Rachel Schools, on demystifying automation in the intake process. In this session, we're going to clarify how automation and AI fit into intake, step by step, to streamline your operations and improve efficiency. We'll also share real-world examples of successful implementations. Our three main takeaways are, first, realistic insights into AI and automation, understanding where the industry really stands today, what's possible, and what's next, without all the hype, because there's a lot of hype right now. Second, we're going to be striking the optimal balance between humans and technology, learning how to divide intake tasks between AI-driven solutions and human expertise, ensuring the right people and tools are used at the right steps. And third, we're going to have an insider perspective on adoption, gain an inside look as to how leading companies have integrated automation and AI, and why sweeping changes haven't come overnight, and what might lie ahead. Medtrade is our industry's premier event, and now that it's just once a year, we're more excited than ever. With decades of experience, we can't wait to reconnect, share insights, and help you make the most of automation in your intake process. Join us at Medtrade.